So I've got my 8-inch Damascus steel knife. Look how beautiful it is. It's got these designs right here through the blade. And then as you get to the handle, we've got a nice design inset in here. It's on both sides. This is full tang. So this is all one piece from one end to the other. You don't have to worry about it just breaking off in the center, which has happened with other knives before. I like that it's nice and balanced here. You'd want the balance right around the blade here, the big part and the handle here, and it is. It just got a great design too. And this is my typical knife here. This is what we've had for quite a few years. You can see it just looks a lot better too. And if you'll notice, this is straight right here. And then at the very bottom here, it's curved. So as your hand's right here, it's kind of going to sit right in there. As you're pushing down, it's just kind of bent down at a proper angle. And this is super, super sharp. Let me just show you. Got a piece of paper here. Look at that. Now this does come in a nice little box right here, so it makes a perfect gift. You can see here it's got a nice little display here. You just take this little foam off, and there's your knife. This knife makes cutting meat and vegetables, fruits, super easy also. Look at that, it slices right through. It's not jagged at all. It's got a nice clean edge as you're cutting. Whoa, look at that. You can cut them as just as thin as you can make it. Look at that. I love that. I love the design, the handle, the way it feels. Now this design is on both sides. You can see here. I'm real happy with it. And I hope you found this review helpful.